Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2007 Chevy Uplander Mobility wheelchair accessible van, and we'll get right to the conversion. As you can see, this is a Braun Enter van. This is a side entry manual ramp and door. Very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. You open the sliding door. These ramps are spring assisted, so they're very easy to use. You have a handle right here in the middle. And look here folks, I can grab it with one finger. All it takes to take this to the ground is one finger. They're spring assisted. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can lift one of these ramps with ease. Inside the van, it's got the hard carbon fiber floor. It's very easy to clean. If you get any liquids on it or any dirt, mud, anything like that. The ramp is 30 inches wide, 56 and a half inches room coming inside the van, 58 and a half inches inside the van. The back seats are in very good condition. There's 3 seat belts back there, so this will seat up to 3 people in the back seat. Both front seats are removable, so if you ever wanted to remove the passenger seat and have the wheelchair up there next to the driver, that's always an option. There's tie downs up there. Also, if you're going to use this commercially for a cab company, yes, this van is ADA compliant, and you could actually pull the seat, put one chair there, put one back here in the rear. So there's all kinds of ways you can configure these vans. The dash is very clean. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. It does have the rear air controls as well, and you can see all the vents back here in the rear. This allows your passengers in the rear to make sure they're getting air too. So when you've got everybody secure inside the van, come back out, grab the ramp, folds back up extremely easy. I can do it all with one hand, no problem. Shut your sliding door, and you're ready to roll. Very clean van. It's got the tinted windows. Give you some privacy in the summertime. Keep you cool in the summertime. Give you privacy year round. Has 17-inch alloy wheels. These tires are nearly brand new. I believe the front tires are brand new, and the back tires are pretty close to brand new. It's very clean. I have a hard time, finding a dent or scratch on this thing. It does have a few rock chips I see up front. A little bit of touch-up paint on there, but overall very clean, very nice van. This is actually the second time we own this van. We had some customers buy it a few years ago. They recently traded it in on a newer van, so it's back in our fleet again. As you can see by the video and the pictures, super clean, super nice van. It definitely does not look 12 years old. We do have the one key with it. You're always welcome to buy another. We can get one made if you want. It's got the keyless entry. I think it needs a battery. We have not tested that. We're out of batteries. I'm going to try to get some more though. So just as of right now, that doesn't work. I'm going to try to throw a battery in there. It's almost always just a battery. You can see the VIN number there, in case you ever need that for anything. The seats are very clean. These vehicles are formerly fleet maintained. That's what I like about them. They're government vehicles. They're very well kept up. Had all their oil changes. We just put plastic on the seats. This protects them. If one of my mechanics jumps in it and decides to take it for a drive or test it or something, they don't get grease or mud or dirt all over the seats. So we try really hard to protect our vehicles. We want to keep them clean. We want to keep them as good as condition as we can. When I go to turn the vehicle on, turns on first time, every time. And you can see the current miles, 101,892. You can see that all the dummy lights work, check engine, ABS, airbag, they all work, and they of course go out. So there's no dummy lights on the van. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood it has a 3.9 V6. It idles smoothly. It's very clean. No signs of any leaks. Our mechanics have checked all these over. We'll make a list of any repairs that we've done, and of course we keep all our receipts. Underneath the van, very clean. I can see the air conditioner dripping back there. It does have a slight oil leak in it. It's the oil pan gasket. It's only a $20 part. But when the geniuses at Chevy made these, you actually have to lift the engine out to get to that gasket. It's kind of a pain. On a 2007, at the price we're selling it, it's not included. If you want us to fix that pesky little gasket for you, we generally charge about $1,200 to do so. I don't think it's a big deal, but I hope you see by our videos, we're trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can. We're not trying to hide anything from you. And pretty much every Chevy Uplander, older one, has that little gasket issue. It's not dripping to the ground, it's not leaving puddles, it's just got a little bit of seepage under there. And folks, that's to be expected with a vehicle that's 12, almost 13 years old. If you're looking for perfection, buy one of our brand new vans. They are perfect. Let's take the van out on the highway, and that's why I crawl underneath this van. I want you to see exactly what you're getting. And no matter who you buy from, if you're going to buy sight unseen, make sure they make a video like this. Make sure you know exactly what you're getting. And if they won't go outside and spend half an hour to an hour making a video like we do, then who are you buying from and what are they selling you? Folks, don't take everybody's word for granted. Make them prove it. That's what we do with these videos. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Before we do that, we've tested all the windows, the power mirrors, power locks, radio, air conditioner, heat. Everything works good in this van, so let's get it out so you can see it ride. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them up to highway speeds, so you can see that we've driven this van. At this point, it runs and drives real nice. Engine strong, transmission shifts smooth, but I'll let you see for yourself. It's a very windy day here in Kansas. Welcome to Kansas. So you're gonna hear a little bit of wind noise, but that's the state we live in. So you see the steering wheel, nice and steady. Gets up to about 60, you got it 62 right now. Cruise control works great. You can see the cruise is on. And folks, I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. I need you to ask yourself and ask the competition, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 reviews on eBay, and all of those are positive? Folks, that's 500 people that said we did a good job and treated them right. 0 said we did them wrong. You can't top that. Do they have any hidden administrative fees or document fees or tag fees? Be sure to ask them. A lot of people try to keep their prices low, and they tag $1,500 in fees in on the backside. They try to slip in on you. That is not how we do business. The price is what you see is what you get. Do they have videos like we do? Do they get out and crawl on the ground when it's 95 degrees out so you can see exactly what you're getting? Because obviously we do. You're watching the video right now. And also we can help you with very affordable shipping. We own a shipping brokerage. One more thing we can do that most people can't. So keep all those in mind, plus our price. And I'm going to give the van a hard brake. And you can see no unusual brake noise. The steering wheel doesn't shake back and forth. Very tight front end. No squeaking, no grinding, anything like that. So overall, of course, it's not a brand new van, but it's a very nice van. We'll list any repairs we've done to the van with receipts. We always go over them, have our mechanics check them out, make sure everything is in working order. And then we also sell extended warranties. I strongly suggest anybody that's going to buy a used vehicle, especially a 13-year-old vehicle, that you get an extended warranty. These are used vehicles, folks. We do go over them very thorough, but we can't promise what they're going to do tomorrow. So I just want to be honest as I possibly can with people. So if you ever want to come see one of our vehicles, please always give me a call first. I know your time's valuable. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. I don't want to miss you, so shoot me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Check us out also 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Also, we have a Dallas location now, Dallas, Texas. Check us out, www.bigtexmobility.com. Both will lead you to the same website, but we do show our Dallas inventory and we show our Wichita, Kansas inventory. If you ever want to see a van before you purchase, even though we're making this very extensive, very thorough video, we can always put these vans on a trailer and bring them out to you. So if you're Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Dallas, somewhere reasonably close, we cannot work for free, but we can work for a very reasonable rate. Give me a call. Let's talk about it. I want to make this process easy as possible for you. So give me a call, see what we can work out. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.